Interested in LEGO? Want to see more tutorials, cool creations and mocks? Then consider subscribing and turning on your notifications so you never miss a video from us. Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Mickey Bricks 05. In today's tutorial we'll be building a LEGO bookcase and a remote control car. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to check out our LEGO tutorials playlist, which will be appearing in the top right hand corner. Now let's just get straight to the bookcase, and here are the bricks you'll need. We'll start by building the frame for the bookcase. Like that, and then you need the 2x4 tile because then the books can slide in and slot into place. Now the top of the bookcase, and now we're using these 1x2 plates and a tile at the end to resemble the books. And now the bookcase is completed, we can start building the LEGO car. For this we are using a 1x2 black brick with snot bricks on the side. And this can attach 1x1 grey tiles which act as the wheels. We can then use a 1x1 transparent brick to act as the windscreen. I'm using a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 tile to act as the body of the car. We also used a remote control piece, so this car is perfectly minifigure friendly and can be used as a remote control car. And so guys, that is the end of the video. We hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and share this video. See you next time!